In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a domain on Squarespace. Starting a website can seem like a daunting task, especially if you're not sure where to begin with purchasing and setting up a domain. Fortunately, Squarespace makes this process straightforward and simple, even for beginners. Today, I'm going to walk you through each step to get your domain up and running on Squarespace, ensuring you're ready to build your website with confidence. First things first, head over to Squarespace's official website. When you arrive, you'll see a variety of options, but what we're interested in today is getting you logged into your account. So go ahead and click on the login option. Squarespace offers various sign-in methods, but one of the quickest and most convenient ways is to continue with your Google account. Select Continue with Google and choose the Google account you wish to use. It's essential to pick an account you regularly use, or one you've designated for your website's administrative tasks to keep things streamlined. After you've successfully logged in, it's time to focus on the domain aspect. Navigate to the domains section of Squarespace. This area is dedicated to all things domain related on your account. Here you'll find the option to get a new domain. Click on Get a Domain to proceed. This action will redirect you to a page where you can begin the exciting process of choosing your website's domain name. When deciding on a domain, think about something catchy, easy to remember, and reflective of your website's content or your business. Type your desired domain in the search field provided. Squarespace will instantly check the availability of your chosen domain. Once you find the perfect domain and confirm it's available, click on it to move on to the next step. Now you're ready to make it officially yours. Click on Checkout and you'll be guided through the payment process. Squarespace will ask for the necessary details to complete the purchase. This includes your billing information and any additional settings or preferences for your domain. Take a moment to review these details carefully to ensure everything is accurate. The final step in acquiring your domain is, of course, paying for it. Once you've entered all the necessary information and selected any additional options, you'll be presented with the total price. Review your order summary to ensure everything looks good, then proceed to click on Buy to complete your purchase. Congratulations. You've successfully purchased a domain on Squarespace. With your domain now ready, you can begin the exciting part of building and customizing your website. Remember, a domain is just the beginning of your online journey. Squarespace offers a range of tools and features to help you create a website that not only looks great, but functions seamlessly. Take advantage of these tools, and don't be afraid to explore everything Squarespace has to offer. And there you have it. You're now well on your way to creating a stunning website with your new Squarespace domain. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.